To hide your number on Telegram, open your Telegram app. When it opens up, at the top left-hand corner, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Then at the bottom, you're going to see the option Settings. Tap on it. Then you scroll down a bit and you will see the option Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Then under Privacy, you would see Phone Number. Tap on it. Then you see the option Who can see my phone number? You have the option Everybody, My Contacts, Nobody. So for everybody, if you tap on Everybody, it means everyone on Telegram will be able to see your phone number, whether you have their phone number or you don't have their phone number before now, whether they know you or they don't know you before now or even now. Then if you tap on My Contacts, it means only the people you already have their contacts in your mobile device would be able to see your phone number. And if you tap on Nobody, it means those that have your contacts and even those that do not have your contact will not be able to see your phone number on Telegram. So the choice is yours. You can decide to go for Everybody, My Contact, or Nobody. Now, because we want to hide our phone number, we either choose My Contact or Nobody. But I prefer to go for the Nobody, and it's set. When you tap on it, it's going to hide your number automatically. If you got value in this video, then consider liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to this channel. Also, let me know in the comment section if this worked for you, or if you need more help, kindly drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.